I will delete this line, modify this line for it to be here. Click here like this, so that we have something like this. Then here I'll have say something from here. I'll have a line like this, so that here I may have something. Okay, let me just put Ctrl Z. So this is how my swimming pool may look like. Let me just modify this one and put it here. Then delete this one. Increase this one here like this. Screen this one, increase it here. Okay, we are going to look at it after. So to use the complex profile, we go under option. Under option, click complex profile manager. Now you click on this plus sign, new. Click on new, click new here again. You put the name of your profile. You are going to start with the pool wall. Okay, pool wall. Now what's the material of that pool wall? Concrete. You click OK. You're going to have this. You delete the square. Now start drawing the pool wall. Then what's the height of my pool? What's the depth of my pool? In fact, your pool is going to have various depth, but you need to take the maximum depth. What's the maximum depth of my pool? Maximum is 1.8 meters. So 1.8 meters is 180 centimeters. So I type there 180. I click enter. So this is it here, 180 centimeters. Now I put here 25 centimeters, 25, enter, 20, enter. Let's take a 20 here again, enter, and 25 here, 25, enter. Oh, it's not 25, it's 20 instead. So let's delete this line. Click on line, you draw again, that's 20. You click enter. Then here you put 40. Yes, 40. You click enter, double click it, it's okay. Now you come here, Ctrl Shift D, duplicate it under by 15 here, under, Ctrl Shift D, 15, enter, 15, enter. Now intersect this one and this one, intersect. Okay, intersect. You delete this one, so this is what you're having here. The distance I think is 40. Ctrl Shift D, 40, duplicate it at 40, click enter. You can delete this line, it's of no use. Then here also Ctrl Shift D, 15, enter. Then you intersect. You take again 15 here. Okay, you intersect directly. To intersect, I told you already how you are going to intersect. So this is what you have here. Then you close this one down. What's the height? 180. Ctrl Shift D, 180, enter. Okay, delete this one. Okay, this is what we have. Now you duplicate again internally. Control Shift D, duplicate 2, enter. Control Shift D again, 2, enter. You press enter to validate the setting. So this is what you have. Again, you duplicate, Control Shift D, enter. You carry it 2 centimeters down, click enter. Now come here, you delete these lines. Hope you're seeing, you delete these lines. Now you put a curved edge. You reduce this point to this point here. You delete these lines of no use. Control, you press Shift, you select the 2 lines and you curve it. To curve it, you click on fillet. Let's put 1. Okay, the thing is curved. Why are we curving this end? We are curving this end because we don't want the edge of our swimming pool to be sharp, be very sharp. Control Shift D, you duplicate this one under also 2 centimeters. You click enter. This 40, meaning Control Shift D, you duplicate it by 90 centimeters. Enter. Control Shift D, 2 centimeters. Enter. Then we can delete this one. We delete this one and we delete this one. So this is what we have for the walls for the wall of our swimming pool. But yet we are not yet done. We need to draw again something like this. What's the size? The size of this gutter, because this is the gutter of our swimming pool. The gutter to drain the water flushing from the swimming pool. We have a gutter of size 20 centimeters. Size 20 centimeters. So what we are going to do is draw here. Okay, size 20 centimeters. That means we remove 2 here, 2 here. That's it. You press Shift to select it. Press Shift to select it. You join, or you just Control Shift D. You duplicate it. You take this end and place it here. Okay, this is what you have. Then when you have this now, you delete here, you delete here, you delete here, you delete here, and you continue deleting. You delete this too until you have something like this. Now we are going to cover this gutter with something later. We are going to see. Now you go and fill. We can now fill our swimming pool wall. Then to fill the swimming pool wall, let's just change the material. I use okay, this is the material we are going to fill everything. To fill, we make use of baguette magic. We press space bar and we click inside what we want to fill. You click here, you click here. Okay, press Control Z. Let's go back. First of all, let's go back. Control Z. Okay, I forgot to delete these lines because you need to delete these lines, and you also delete these lines. Okay, now you press fill, space bar, you fill this one, you fill this one, you fill this one, and you fill here without forgetting this line. Now when you feel like this, you now need to change the materials, the materials of what you fill, because they're made up of different material. For example, this one is made up of concrete, this one is also made up of concrete or mortar. Then this one is tile, this one is a tile but a different type of tile. So we are going to start with these 2 small ones which are of the same kind of tile. We are going to put white made tiles. Highlight both of them, you highlight both of them, you go under modifier, you highlight both of them, you click on cover fill, you highlight override surfaces, you go and change the tile, you put the white made. Then when it's done, You select another one. To select this one, which one is this? This one is concrete and mortar. You highlight it. You can highlight both. You highlight this one, highlight here, go and modify. You go under concrete. Let's just put it all as concrete. Where's concrete? Okay, this concrete. Let's put concrete 4. Then you highlight the last one, this last one. Highlight this last one and put it okay with it. Just bring this one here. Bring this one here like this. Bring this one here. Draw a line. You fill. Then this one is white meat. White meat. This one. Then this one is we are going to put this one mosaic blue because we wish to have a blue swimming pool. This is the mosaic blue. So this is what you have as a wall of swimming pool. After that, you click save. You click save. Now you can decide to save either under walls, beam or columns. Me, I usually save under walls, so I click OK. Now I just put my profile manager here. I go on my 2D. I go on my 2D. I go under wall, double click on the wall. I click here on the structural base complex profile. Then you go under custom. You type the name pool. This is your wall pool. This is your wall pool. You close everything and click OK. You can now come and put the walls of your pool. You've already drawn. Oh, edit. Let's carry this, move, let's carry this and put it here like this. Okay, let's have it there. Let's click save. Let's go back on our 2D wall. Okay, put it externally. And let's see how it looks like. This is how it's going to look like. Let's go on 3D and check and see if if our swimming pool is coming. Okay, this is what we have as a wall of swimming pool. So you can check to see the different details. These are the different details to check. So this one we have. Now we are done with the walls of our swimming pool. We now need to design the floor of our swimming pool. So to design the floor of our swimming pool is you can do it in many ways, in such a way that our swimming pool can have different depths, or you can design it using slabs. So personally, for this swimming pool with complex with complex shape, I'm going to do it using slabs. I'm going to design it using slabs directly. So go again on floor plan. Go on floor plan. Go on that slab. Double click on that slab. Override surface. Override here. I put tiles, mosaic blue tiles. Under the cut tool, I put mosaic blue tiles. Then thickness here. Okay. I click OK. Then I draw it here. I draw my slab here. I draw the slab here. I draw the slab here. And can just modify it like this. Okay, modify it like this. Then go and check on 3D. Okay, this is your slab. You can now bring it down, put it at -180. Put it at -180. Drag here 180. You can just type directly on your keyboard 180, 180, 175. Okay, so when you do that, this is what you have. This is what you have, meaning this is the most deep place of your swimming pool. Now you are going to design the next part. You are going to design the next part, the remaining part, using complex profile. So to do that, the first measure, we start by measuring the length of the remaining part of our swimming pool. This part, I'm going to measure this part from here to here, from here to here. What area we are slim? We are having 299, so that's 303 meters. So we are going to work on, let's also measure from here to here. Okay, so we are going to work on 4.5 450 centimeters. So this is our profile manager. You just click on new. It's already pool. We'll just put a pool floor, the same material. We click OK. We are working on 4.50 m. So you take line. You first of all draw a rectangle of dimension 1. You put your dimension 1 at 4.50 m, 4.50 m or 4.48 m. Yes, you put it at 4.48 m, then click enter. This is what you have. Now on the first part you are going to put stairs. Oh, we need to modify something. Control A, delete line. Yes, dimension 1 is 4.50 m. So you put dimension 1 at 4.50 m, 450, and you put dimension 2. To change to dimension 2, press tab, and you put dimension 2 at 1.60 m. After that, you click OK. So this is what you have. This is what you have. Now design the stairs of your swimming pool. Design it. OK. Control Shift D. I want to put stairs width of thread of 20 centimeters and risers of 15 centimeters. So let me put the thread. Control Shift D, 20, enter. 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 So this is what you have now. Risers of 17 centimeters. Control Shift D, no 16. Control Shift D, 16, enter. Control Shift D, 16. You press enter. Control Shift D, 16. You press 16. You press enter. Control Shift D, 16.